Hello, and welcome to day 4, April 22nd, Thursday. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two assignments in Async. The first assignment is a discussion. Remember, as always, to read everything. You're going to describe how you and your family and friends are different. You'll write sentences using however or although. Remember yesterday you did a Nearpod about however, but, and although. So here are some examples to help you with writing your sentences. Okay. And you will do however and use although. And here are some examples here. Okay. And then you put in the chat. Your next activity is in the book, page 52 and 53, part 1A and B, and part 2A, B, and C. When you're done, you take a picture and you upload. Please make sure your picture is clear so I can see the answers. And that's it for async. It's Thursday, so we have sync. We are going to work on the article that you were supposed to read yesterday. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to get information, get some evidence from the article that could help us. All right. So that's what we're going to do. So make sure you have paper and pen or notebook and pen or pencil to do this activity. All right. And that's it for today. Good luck.